Are you planning an outdoor event and need a cool, comfortable restroom solution? Air-conditioned porta potties may be the answer. Let's explore their costs, features, and how to get the best deal. Air-conditioned porta potties cost between $250 and $600 daily. Standard models are around $250 to $300, while deluxe versions range from $400 to $600. Renting longer reduces costs. Weekly rates offer 15–20% off, and monthly can save you up to 40%. Factors like rental duration, location, and unit features affect pricing. Weekend events are cheaper than month-long projects. Renting multiple units may get you discounts too, and standard units start at $250 to $300 daily. Larger deluxe models hit $400 to $600 and offer better features. Always check if the unit size fits your needs. Delivery fees can vary. Urban areas usually have lower costs, while remote sites may incur extra charges. Always request a detailed quote to avoid hidden fees. To save, book early for discounts, choose longer rentals, and consider off-peak bookings. Ready to secure your air-conditioned porta potty? Visit Hackney Renters for your quote today.